What if I told you that one excavator was so massive it needed its own crew just to move between job sites? Or that another machine could scoop up more material in a single bucket than an entire fleet of standard excavators? These aren't futuristic concepts or science fiction machines. They're real engineering giants that push technology decades ahead of their time. From record-breaking mining monsters to earth-moving beasts that transformed entire landscapes, these 10 biggest excavators were so advanced, so powerful, and so unbelievable that even today they continue to amaze engineers around the world. Let's count them down. Number 10, Demag H740 OS. When most people think of a large excavator, they imagine a machine weighing a few dozen tons. The Demag H740 OS operated in an entirely different universe. Introduced by the German manufacturer Demag during the late 20th century, the H740 OS was designed specifically for the world's largest mining operations. This wasn't a machine built for construction sites or road projects. It was created to move mountains, literally. Weighing approximately 744 tons, the Demag H740 OS was among the largest hydraulic excavators ever built. To put that into perspective, its weight was equivalent to more than 100 African elephants standing together. Every component of this machine was engineered on a scale that seemed impossible at the time. Its massive bucket could hold around 40 cubic meters of material in a single pass. That's enough earth and rock to fill a large backyard swimming pool. One scoop from the H740 OS could load an entire mining truck faster than many smaller excavators could even position themselves for work. But size wasn't the only thing that made this machine remarkable. The H740 OS featured highly advanced hydraulic systems that allowed operators to control enormous digging forces with surprising precision. Number 9, Bucyrus RH400. If the Demag H740 OS seemed enormous, the Bucyrus RH400 took hydraulic excavator technology to another level entirely. When it entered service in the late 1990s, it immediately became one of the largest hydraulic excavators ever built and demonstrated just how far mining technology had advanced. The RH400 weighed approximately 980 tons, making it one of the heaviest hydraulic excavators in history. Designed primarily for open-pit mining operations, this giant machine was built to load ultra-class haul trucks as efficiently as possible. Every second saved during loading translated into huge financial gains for mining companies. The excavator's bucket capacity reached as much as 50 cubic meters depending on configuration. To understand how massive that is, imagine fitting a small house inside the volume of material it could scoop in just one pass. With only a few bucket loads, the RH400 could fill some of the world's largest mining trucks. Power came from twin diesel engines producing more than 4,000 horsepower combined. That enormous power output allowed the machine to generate tremendous digging forces while maintaining smooth hydraulic operation. Operators often remarked that despite its size, the RH400 responded surprisingly well to controls. One of the machine's most impressive features was its reliability. Mining operations often run 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Equipment downtime can cost thousands of dollars every hour. Bucyrus engineers designed the RH400 to withstand these brutal operating conditions while maintaining exceptional productivity. The machine eventually gained even more fame after Bucyrus was acquired by Caterpillar. Many of its technologies influenced future generations of giant mining excavators. Number 8, Hitachi EX8000-6. When Hitachi introduced the EX8000-6, it wasn't simply building another mining excavator. It was creating one of the most technologically advanced earth-moving machines ever developed. The EX8000-6 weighs roughly 825 tons and was engineered specifically for large-scale mining operations around the globe. Unlike many machines that focus purely on size, Hitachi concentrated on combining immense power with cutting-edge electronics and hydraulic technology. Its bucket capacity can exceed 40 cubic meters, allowing it to move extraordinary amounts of material with every digging cycle. In a busy mine, the machine can move thousands of tons of rock and earth every hour, dramatically increasing production rates. One of the biggest reasons the EX8000-6 was ahead of its time was its sophisticated monitoring systems. Long before advanced equipment diagnostics became standard across the industry, Hitachi integrated systems capable of tracking machine performance, fuel consumption, operating conditions, and maintenance requirements. This helped operators and technicians maximize efficiency while reducing unexpected breakdowns. The excavator is powered by twin diesel engines producing thousands of horsepower. These engines feed one of the most advanced hydraulic systems ever installed on a mining excavator. The system provides exceptional control while maintaining the raw strength required to handle hard rock mining environments. Another impressive feature is operator comfort. Earlier mining excavators often prioritized productivity above everything else. Hitachi recognized that operator fatigue could affect performance and safety. The EX8000-6 featured an advanced cab with improved visibility, climate control, ergonomic seating, and modern electronic controls. Because of its size, transporting the machine to a mine requires disassembly into numerous components. Specialized crews spend weeks assembling it on-site before operations begin. Once completed, the excavator becomes one of the most productive machines in the entire mining complex. Today, the EX8000-6 remains a benchmark for large hydraulic excavators. Its combination of size, reliability, and advanced technology demonstrated that mining equipment could be both incredibly powerful and highly intelligent. But the next machine wasn't just advanced. It became one of the most legendary excavators ever created. Number 7. Liebherr R9800. Few excavators have earned the reputation enjoyed by the Liebherr R9800. Introduced by the German engineering giant Liebherr, this machine quickly became one of the most respected mining excavators on Earth. The R9800 weighs approximately 800 tons and was designed to meet the demanding requirements of modern mining companies. While some manufacturers focused solely on building bigger machines, Liebherr concentrated on maximizing productivity and efficiency. The excavator can be equipped with buckets capable of holding more than 40 cubic meters of material. Combined with rapid cycle times, this allows the machine to load giant haul trucks quickly and efficiently. In mining, speed matters, and the R9800 was engineered to keep trucks moving rather than waiting. Its power system is equally impressive. Depending on configuration, the machine can produce thousands of horsepower through twin-engine arrangements specifically designed for heavy-duty mining applications. These engines supply energy to a highly refined hydraulic system that delivers exceptional digging performance. What truly set the R9800 apart was its focus on fuel efficiency. During a period when fuel costs were becoming increasingly important to mining operations, Liebherr engineers developed systems that reduced fuel consumption without sacrificing productivity. This innovation saved mining companies millions of dollars over the machine's lifetime. The operator cabin represented another major advancement. Large displays provided real-time machine data, while improved visibility enhanced safety. The ergonomic controls reduced operator fatigue during long shifts, helping maintain productivity throughout the day. Maintenance was also simplified through thoughtful engineering. Components were positioned for easier access, reducing downtime and allowing technicians to perform repairs more efficiently. In mining, where every minute counts, these design improvements made a significant difference. The R9800 continues to operate in major mines around the world and remains one of the most successful large hydraulic excavators ever produced. Number 6. Komatsu PC8000-11. When people talk about giant mining excavators, Komatsu is a name that always enters the conversation. The PC8000-11 represents decades of engineering experience and is one of the most productive hydraulic excavators ever created. Weighing approximately 770 tons, the PC8000-11 was designed for the world's largest surface mining operations. While some excavators focus on raw size alone, Komatsu engineers concentrated on maximizing production, reliability, and operating efficiency. The machine can be equipped with buckets exceeding 40 cubic meters in capacity. With every pass, it can move enough material to fill a large dump truck in just a few loading cycles. This allows mining companies to move millions of tons of material every year while reducing operating costs. Power comes from a pair of massive diesel engines that generate thousands of horsepower. These engines drive an advanced hydraulic system capable of producing enormous digging forces while maintaining precise control. The result is a machine that can handle everything from loose overburden to extremely hard rock. One reason the PC8000-11 was ahead of its time was its intelligent monitoring technology. The excavator constantly tracks performance data, fuel consumption, hydraulic pressures, and component health. This information helps operators and maintenance teams identify problems before they become costly failures. Komatsu also invested heavily in operator comfort. The spacious cab includes advanced controls, excellent visibility, climate control, and reduced vibration levels. In an industry where operators often work shifts lasting 12 hours or more, these improvements significantly enhance productivity and safety. Another impressive aspect of the PC8000-11 is durability. Mining environments are among the harshest workplaces on Earth. Dust, extreme temperatures, and constant heavy loads push equipment to its limits. Yet the PC8000-11 was engineered to deliver reliable performance under these demanding conditions. Today, it remains one of the most respected mining excavators in operation. Its combination of advanced technology, power, and reliability continues to make it a favorite among major mining companies worldwide. Number 5. Terex O&K RH340. Long before many modern mining excavators appeared, the Terex O&K RH340 was already proving what hydraulic excavation technology could achieve. During its era, this machine was considered one of the most advanced mining excavators on the planet. The RH340 weighed roughly 550 tons, an astonishing figure for its time. Developed by O&K Mining and later associated with Terex, it became known for combining exceptional productivity with remarkable engineering innovation. What made the RH340 special wasn't just its size. It was designed during a period when hydraulic excavators were rapidly evolving, and O&K engineers pushed the technology far beyond what many competitors believed possible. The machine demonstrated that hydraulic systems could provide both tremendous digging power and precise control. Its bucket could move huge amounts of material with every pass, making it highly efficient in large-scale mining operations. Mines around the world adopted machines like the RH340 because they significantly reduced loading times and improved overall productivity. The excavator featured powerful diesel engines paired with advanced hydraulic circuits. These systems allowed operators to perform complex digging movements smoothly while maintaining maximum efficiency. For many mining companies, this represented a major improvement over older equipment. One area where the RH340 truly excelled was reliability. Mining operations depend on equipment that can operate continuously under extreme conditions. Number 4. P&H 4100 XPC. Not every giant excavator relies on hydraulic systems. The P&H 4100 XPC took a different approach, becoming one of the most powerful electric rope shovels ever built and one of the most productive excavation machines in history. Manufactured by P&H Mining Equipment, the 4100 XPC weighs well over 1,000 tons depending on configuration. Unlike hydraulic excavators, it uses an electric rope shovel system that provides extraordinary digging power and durability. The machine's bucket can hold more than 50 cubic meters of material. That means a single scoop can weigh well over 100 tons depending on the material being handled. Few machines on Earth can match that level of productivity. What made the 4100 XPC so advanced was its sophisticated electric drive technology. Rather than relying entirely on diesel-powered hydraulic systems, it uses powerful electric motors to operate its digging equipment. This design provides exceptional efficiency and reliability in large mining operations. The shovel's massive boom towers above workers and haul trucks. Standing near it makes even the largest mining vehicles appear surprisingly small. Operators work from a cab positioned high above the ground, providing a commanding view of the mining operation. One of the machine's greatest strengths is longevity. Many electric rope shovels remain productive for decades when properly maintained. Their robust construction allows them to withstand continuous operation in some of the harshest environments imaginable. The 4100 XPC also incorporates advanced monitoring systems that help maximize productivity while minimizing maintenance costs. These technologies allow mining companies to track machine performance in real time and make informed operational decisions. For many experts, the P&H 4100 XPC represents one of the most successful mining machines ever built. Its combination of immense power, reliability, and advanced engineering has made it a cornerstone of large-scale mining operations around the world. Number 3. Bucyrus 495 HR2. The Bucyrus 495 HR2 wasn't merely a large excavator, it was a mining legend. Designed for the most demanding surface mining operations on Earth, this giant electric rope shovel became one of the most productive earth-moving machines ever constructed. Weighing well over 1,300 tons depending on configuration, the 495 HR2 was engineered to move staggering amounts of material every single day. Its size alone was enough to leave visitors speechless. The machine's bucket capacity could exceed 60 cubic meters. To put that into perspective, one scoop could move enough rock and earth to fill multiple large dump trucks. In massive open-pit mines, this level of productivity translates directly into enormous financial benefits. Unlike hydraulic excavators, the 495 HR2 relies on a sophisticated electric rope shovel design. Powerful electric motors provide the force necessary to handle enormous digging loads while maintaining impressive reliability. This technology has proven highly effective in large mining applications. One of the machine's most impressive characteristics is its ability to operate continuously for years. Mining companies invest heavily in equipment that can maximize production while minimizing downtime, and the 495 HR2 excelled in exactly those areas. The operator cab sits high above the ground, offering a panoramic view of the mining site. From this elevated position, operators control one of the most powerful excavation systems ever created. Number 2, Bagger 288. When it comes to machines that seem impossible to build, the Bagger 288 stands in a category almost entirely by itself. Unlike traditional mining excavators, this gigantic bucket wheel excavator was designed to continuously remove enormous quantities of overburden in German lignite coal mines. Built by the German company Krupp Rheinbraun, the Bagger 288 entered service in 1978 and immediately became one of the largest land vehicles ever constructed. The machine weighs approximately 13,500 tons and stands about 96 meters tall. Its length stretches to roughly 220 meters, making it longer than 2 football fields placed end to end. What truly separates the Bagger 288 from every conventional excavator is its bucket wheel. Instead of using a single bucket attached to a boom, the machine employs a gigantic rotating wheel fitted with multiple buckets. As the wheel turns continuously, it removes material without stopping, creating an incredibly efficient excavation process. The machine can move around 240,000 cubic meters of earth in a single day. To understand that scale, imagine removing enough material every 24 hours to fill a large city block several stories high. Few machines in history have ever matched such productivity. Powering this giant requires a direct electrical connection rather than onboard diesel engines. The machine consumes enormous amounts of electricity while operating, but its efficiency in large mining operations more than justifies the energy requirement. Despite weighing thousands of tons, the Bagger 288 moves using massive crawler tracks that distribute its weight across the ground. Surprisingly, it travels at a walking pace of roughly 10 meters per minute. That's slow for a vehicle, but remarkable considering its size. The machine became internationally famous in 2001 when it traveled more than 20 kilometers to a new mining location. Thousands of spectators gathered to watch the giant cross roads, railways, and even a river during the carefully planned relocation. For decades, the Bagger 288 symbolized humanity's ability to build machines on a scale that seemed unimaginable. Yet one excavator eventually surpassed even this legendary giant. Number 1. Bagger 293. The title of the biggest excavator ever built belongs to the incredible Bagger 293. If the Bagger 288 looked like something from another planet, the Bagger 293 somehow managed to become even larger, even heavier, and even more astonishing. Constructed by German engineers for large-scale lignite mining operations, the Bagger 293 is recognized as one of the heaviest land vehicles ever created. The machine weighs approximately 14,200 tons, making it heavier than many naval warships. Standing around 96 meters tall and stretching more than 220 meters in length, it dominates everything around it. At first glance, the Bagger 293 appears less like an excavator and more like an industrial city moving across the landscape. Walk beneath its enormous steel framework, and people look smaller than ants compared to the machine's gigantic structure. Like its predecessor, the Bagger 293 uses a bucket wheel excavation system. The massive rotating wheel continuously cuts into the earth, feeding material onto a complex network of conveyor belts that transport it through the machine and deposit it elsewhere. This continuous process allows productivity levels that conventional excavators simply cannot match. The Bagger 293 can move hundreds of thousands of cubic meters of material every day. It operates around the clock, transforming entire landscapes with incredible efficiency. In large mining projects, its output can dramatically reduce excavation times and operating costs. What makes the machine truly remarkable is the engineering required to support its immense weight while maintaining mobility. Massive crawler tracks distribute the load across a huge surface area, preventing the machine from sinking into the ground despite weighing more than 14 million kilograms. The Liebherr 293 also incorporates advanced control systems that allow operators to manage this engineering masterpiece safely and efficiently. Every movement, conveyor system, and excavation process is carefully monitored to ensure maximum productivity. Nearly every machine on this list was considered revolutionary during its time, but the Liebherr 293 stands above them all as the ultimate symbol of human engineering ambition. It remains one of the largest and most advanced excavation machines ever built, proving that when engineers refuse to accept limits, they can create machines that seem almost impossible. From the Demag H740 OS to the record-breaking Liebherr 293, these incredible giants didn't just move Earth, they changed the history of mining and engineering forever. So that's it for today. If you like this video, then please hit the like and subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching.